a short range round, so you're in nice and close to the bag. So this would be like if you're up against the rope. So you're just in, don't be afraid to let the bag hit you, just nice quick punches, just nice and quick. And nice and close, like as if you're on the ring, on the ropes in the ring. So the next one then will be medium range, so about elbow bend distance. You're just like toe to toe in the middle of the ring. Move around. Just moving around nice and close, but not too close, not too far. Then the next one is going to be your long range, so you can't really hit them, so you're like stepping distance in the middle of the ring. This is where you want to be able to close the gap nice and quick. So on the toes, and stay a distance, step. Back. Keep the hands up. Hands back. Just keeping away, nice distance away from the bag. So your short, medium and range, long range rounds on the bag.